Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Nizam Azhar bin Muhammad Razif 16 DKA 18 F1056. Today I would like to present about fluid mechanics chapter 5 Hydrodynamics. Introduction. A bunch of physics that deal with the motion of the fluid and the force acting on the solid bodies immersed in fluid and in motion. Flow visualization in fluid dynamics is used to make the flow pattern visible. In order to get qualitative and or quantitative information on them, many methods have been developed for making flow visible. Such methods include experimental methods like spilling ink into water. Dye injection method. This method is employed in water tunnel or water channel. This method is to introduce dye by an injection tube needle to the location of interest in the flow field. As you can see the picture at the bottom. Oil frame method. This method is to apply some viscous fluid mixed with solid powder whose color is easily visualized by eye on the test model. As you can see the picture at the bottom side. Next, hydrogen bubble technique consists of using bubble produced by the electrolysis of water as a flow visualization tool using a fine wire mounted perpendicular to wall as the cathode or negative electrode in a DC circuit and another material such as brass as the anode or positive electrode. Okay, you can see the diagram at the bottom. Next, we moving to steam lines. It is useful to visualize the flow pattern lines joining point of the equal velocity. Velocity contours can be drawn. As you can see the picture. And also we have real and ideal fluid. Flowing real exhibit viscous effect. They stick to the solid surface and have stresses within their body. Next, we moving on classification of fluid flow. So there's 4 type of flow. First one is uniform flow. Flow condition, velocity, pressure, cross section or depth are the same at a very point in the fluid. Then non-uniform flow. It means flow conditions are not the same every point. After that is steady flow. Flow condition may differ from point to point but do not change with time. And last one we have unsteady flow. Flow condition change with time at any point. The next slide, it's about compressible or incompressible flow. all fluids are compressible so that their destiny will change with pressure but under steady condition flow, provided that change in the pressure are small. Usually say the fluid is incompressible and it has constant density. And then fluid flow in pipe have three types: laminar, turbulent, and transition. Laminar flow generally happen when dealing with small pipe and low flow velocity, as you can see the diagram of laminar flow at the bottom. Next, we moving on turbulent flow. Eddies and wake make the flow unpredictable. Turbulent flow happen in general at high flow rate and with larger piece. As you can see the diagram of turbulent flow at the bottom. And we moving on, Reynolds number could be used to predict change in flow type for any fluid. This was first investigated in 1880 by Osborne Reynolds. As you can see the Reynolds numbers at the next slide. That's all for the chapter 5 hydrodynamics from me. Thank you very much.